If you're looking to start some seeds, please, 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 please do not use peat pots, also known as biodegradable plant pots, like these. Let me show you why. I picked these up because they were on clearance, and I thought the concept of them being able to be planted directly into the ground once the plant was ready to go outside was great, that it would just break down, and I said, let's give this a shot. Not knowing that I was gonna end up with tiny little plants that are not thriving. So this here is a beefsteak tomato plant. I planted these seeds on March 15th, which was over a month ago. And yes, they germinated, but they are quite small. Now let's compare it to this plant here. So I planted these beefsteak seeds on March 15th, same as this pot, so over a month ago. And look at the difference. Same seed packets, same date, just a different pot. I watered them all at the same time as they needed the extra moisture. And these are tiny and really shriveled looking, whereas these are tall and healthy. So I will not be using these again. I am going to be moving my plants out of here. And I just wanted to pass that along to other gardeners who are looking to plant some seeds. Please use something other than this. In another example, I have always had great luck growing lettuce. This year, I planted all my lettuce in these peat pots, and over a month later, this is all I've got. Some didn't even germinate, and others are small. Usually, lettuce is fast growing, and I can see lots of growth early on, not in these peat pots. I wish I had put some in plastic containers so I could show you the difference. The ones that actually germinated and survived are an inch, if that. And then I have some that look like they dried out, and then plenty more that just did not germinate. Which is really unfortunate, because seeds, they really do want to grow, and we want to give them the best opportunity possible to do so. So when you go shopping to get some pots for your seeds, just pass right by these peat pots, biodegradable pots, and look for another alternative. Some better options are recycled flower containers or 4 packs of plastic cells, or like these little white plastic cups. I've had great germination and great growth in all of these different plastic pots of different shapes and sizes. And I do like with the plastic pots that you can reuse them year after year as long as they hold up. The thicker plastic definitely seems to hold up longer than your thinner plastic trays, but there's also a cost difference, so you have to factor that in and choose what works for you. So now I'm going to be taking all these plants out of the peat pots and moving them into their own individual plastic pots in the hopes to give them a chance to really flourish and grow. That's going to be in the next video. Be sure to check it out. And if you haven't started your farm yet, what are you waiting for? Get your farm on. If you liked this content, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.
1, 2, 3, 4. Do you want to farm? A wicked awesome farm. Watch this channel to learn what to do. We love to farm and we'll show you. Yeah, welcome to our show.